Citibank, which is one of the biggest banks in the USA, has recently said that it is going to cut off the vendors who are providing IT support and IT development for this bank. And this is not the only bank. There are a lot of US based companies which are cutting down the vendor companies, which are basically service based Indian IT companies such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant, and they're hiring their own staff. They're increasing their own headcount in India and other areas. So this is a concerning thing. Why? Because either TCS employees or Infosys employees or Synechron employees, they are getting hired in those companies, or they are going to simply reduce the contract, they are going to reduce the jobs which are being provided or done by these service-based Indian IT companies. Now, why this is happening? We will discuss this in our today's video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So we are going to discuss two different important points. The first one is related to Citibank, why it is cutting off the vendors and why it is planning to hire new employees in its own offices. The second thing is about the AI, that is revolution that is happening right now. We are going to discuss on these 2 points. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that is very important for you to get regular updates about the videos that we post online. So starting off with Citibank. So Citibank is under pressure. A lot of banks in USA, like they are under pressure because the companies or the investors want the bank to increase the profits and increase their revenues. And there is a lot of pressure due to Trump policies also, and that is eventually going to hurt USA and eventually it might hurt India as well. That is the reason why Indian companies, Indian service-based IT companies are also under some pressure. So on top of that, Citibank has announced that they are going to hire some of the employees and they are going to reduce or they are going to remove these vendors who are providing their IT support and IT development. Now this is why this is concerning, because earlier IT companies such as TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Synechron, they were getting some kind of billing from these US banks. And let me tell you guys that US banks and European banks are one of the major contributors of revenue and profit for Indian service-based companies. This is the reason why a lot of people are scared right now. And on top of that, there are always the US pressures, the H1B visa restrictions and tightening of the policies, and that is resulting in reducing of the profitability of Indian service-based companies, right? So the second point that I want to highlight is regarding the AI. Recently, I made a video and I mentioned what the Anthropic CEO, Mr. Dario, mentioned, that AI is going to replace the software developers. 50% of the software developers won't have their job by 2030. This is the bold statement that he made recently in a conversation. Now we highlighted that point, we received a lot of criticism, we received a lot of questions in the comment section, and a lot of hatred towards our statement or the video that we published recently. I will give the link in the description, you can go and watch that video. But I just want to tell you guys that if you go on Google and if you search for GrokAI, right, that is provided by XAI, Elon Musk's company. If you go and check for OpenAI like ChatGPT 4.0, or if you go and check GitHub Copilot, you will find that if you integrate these AI tools with your IDEs like IntelliJ or even VS Code, you will find that you can directly write the code directly. You just have to put a prompt, what you want to achieve from that particular class or component, and that code will be written with the test cases along with corner cases also. So this is the big thing. If you go and check basically on Google about Cursor AI, you just have to put a prompt, what kind of application you want to create, what kind of database you want to configure, what kind of Kubernetes architecture that you want to follow, and it will create everything for you from scratch. It will create the entire project. You just have to download the file and then you will be able to go ahead with the application. Production ready applications you can create using AI as of now. Definitely there is some intervention that is required from the software developers or even architects, but this is what AI is capable of right now. On the contrary part, there is a funny thing that happened, that the IBM CEO, Mr. Arvind, notoriously pointed out that AI is not that ready. He counter-argued what Mr. Dario of Anthropic AI said, that AI is not ready yet, it is not fully functional to replace the software developers, and by 2030 only 30 to 40% of the code will be written by AI. The entire code will be written by AI, not more than that. This is what his prediction is. Now I want to ask you guys that how many of you are actually using AI chat tools or AI bots or AI agents in their current project? If you are doing so, do let us know in the comment section. If you know about some applications or some startups which are helping developers, young developers, to learn fast and to build applications faster, production ready applications faster, then do let us know in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any counter questions, counter views, then please mention that also. So with this, I would like to end our today's video. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you want to ask any questions, please ask in the comment section and we will happily answer all your questions. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.